Tourism is the art of crossing borders, not just of lands, but of hearts. These snow-clad terrains teaches us how to rise above the limits. This forest breathes the rhythm of the life itself. Bali's beaches remind us that the joy is found in the simplest sunsets. The pyramids of Egypt stand tall, whispering the stories of eternity. And this Eiffel Tower glows with the human brilliance. These streets of Tokyo remind us of the eternal beauty of hard work. And the Taj Mahal, a monument to love, teaches us what endures forever. Each place is more than just a destination. It's a classroom, a storyteller, and a guide to what it means to be a human. And at Chandigarh University, tourism is not just a subject we study. It's a journey we live. With peers from across nations and opportunities stretch beyond the borders, we carry the spirit of every mountain, every river, and every monument within our heart. This World Tourism Day, we not only celebrate the places we dream to go, but the travelers that we are becoming. Happy World Tourism Day.